Hi guys.
Hi.
What are y'all doing now?
We are doing a volcano.
Are you sure?
An experience.
An experience? Oh, you're gonna have an experience. You wanna show me what you have behind you, Lin?
The
Whoa!
whole set.
Whoa! And shall we now fix up the volcano?
Yes.
Alright. I'll see you in a while after you're
Okay.
done.
Okay.
Get the day we met, your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met, your smile so.
Hey guys, how's your painting going on?
Good.
What have y'all been doing?
We are doing a volcano and it looks very beautiful. Yeah.
Whoa, now it looks...
Then when we can put all the ingredients inside.
Just now when that you go away, I asked you just keep paint higher, so I don't need paint higher.
You having fun?
Yeah. Having fun and I'm moving around.
Hey guys, wow, looks like you're ready.
Yeah.
Are you gonna ready to do this experiment? Are you gonna make the volcano erupt?
Yeah.
Shall we see it?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, that's enough, that's enough!
They don't die already.
Oh no, one's dead. How about the rest?
No.
Hey, the rest they don't.
Okay, let's give a thumbs up to everyone.
But there's still something inside.
This is how shall we see it?
There's still things inside. So can I pour some more?
Alright. Shall we have fun? You wanna give a thumbs up? Watch out for more Jay's video.
Yes.